Om Shri Krishnaya Namah. Om Shri Vasudevaya Namah. Wow, welcome to India, Mera Desh Mahan. So, here is a message to the whole humanity. We are in India right now. See, I am going to introduce with the persons who are taking care of the animals, those who are, either wounded by an accident. We in Hindi we call it Gaushala, means where the mother, in our mythology, Lord Krishna, the cow is known as a mother. So here I'll show you how wonderfully they are serving. Some injured cows and the calves. So here is the person. So yeah, what's your good name? Aapka kya shubh naam hai? What's your good name?
Navgun Singh. My name is Navgun Singh, Dr. Navgun Singh.
Dr. Navgun Singh. See, he's a person, so he'll be telling you about the cows, their wounds, they are suffering from cows, from cancer even. They are treating. So here we go. So again, K. Yogi Vinodanand, I welcome you to India. See, this is love. You talk of yoga, you talk of meditation, you talk getting out of depression or meeting the Lord and stopping the chattering of the mind. Everything is possible if you serve animals and especially the mother cow. So here we go. See here. This cow. So it's an accident case. Unfortunately, she lost one of her legs, So you are also working, you are here, no? So that's how people are coming here and serving these animals. They are visitors. So great marvelous. Here another cow. Just come, he'll tell you. Here. Here you can see a calf.
Accident case.
It's a
vertebral damage.
It's an accident case.
Vertebral damage.
It's a vertebral damage. So she keeps flying, they are feeding. So see more. Yeah. This here is another case. See, you can see.
Mouth cancer.
This is mouth cancer. So she is having mouth cancer. They are treating it with the medical treatment. Oh, wonderful. Oh, may God bless. So here you can see more cows. This cow is a vertebral damage.
Paralysis.
It's a?
And back paralysis.
It's a paralysis. She is having paralysis. So how they are feeding this cow? She keeps lying down just because of the accident and got some, vertebral damage, So here, wow. See how they are cleaning. They are keeping this highly hygienic. Yeah. Wow. Wonderful, wonderful. So the message goes now. K. Yogi Vinodanand, it's my way of serving the humanity, the animals, fauna, flora. I welcome you here at this place. It's Mohali in Chandigarh, near Chandigarh in India. Whosoever wants to learn yoga, to how to go in Samadhi, especially your Vajrali, your Khechari. So these are the Kriyas. They are on the verge of extinction. So I'll be teaching you free. You're most welcome, and I would like, it's asking for my mother cows. The only thing you have to do is to serve these animals somehow or the other with medical facilities, with financial. So great of you. I'll show you more cows. Keep with us. The places, the Doctor Sahab will be telling you. So, Doctor Sahab, आप बताइए थोड़ा कि अब now Doctor Sahab will tell you about what's the name of this place?
My name is Dr. Navgun Singh.
The name of this Gaushala?
Gogras Seva Samiti.
Hospital. Okay, so again say the name of the place. Gogras
Seva Samiti.
Okay, ये कहाँ पर है? Is it in Mohali?
Mohali एक phase.
Mohali phase? One phase. Okay, it's Mohali. It's in Punjab. So I'll show you more and more. Be with us and welcome to learn the yoga. This is absolutely philanthropic. You have to serve these animals the way you like. You know, with the feed, with the financial help or medical facilities especially.
मेडिकल दिखाते हैं.
So I'll show you more and more. Thanks, welcome. Cave Yogi Vinodanand from Solar Powered Humans. It's in California by the grace of Wake Rinpoche, who happens to be a Hatha Yogi and now Buddhist monk. So he's facilitating me all these things, you know, to give you the messages, to share these messages throughout the world. So the way to learn, the Kriyas, yoga not merely folding your legs. To go in Samadhi, Vajroli, again I repeat, the Khechari, the stopping the chattering of the mind is Kevali Kumbhaka. Most welcome to this place, in this Gaushala only. Oh, the most pious, you can use the, oh, marvelous. You just join us. Welcome to this holy place. Let's serve these animals. Om Shri Krishna Namah. This will be the worship, true worship of Lord Krishna, and He will definitely confer you the yoga of wisdom by making, you know, giving you the light in your heart. Oh, the conferring of the yoga means the yoga of wisdom. Welcome, Cave Yogi Vinodanand Mohali. Join us here for yoga online even. Then we'll talk more, help them medically especially. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching.
राधे राधे.
Radhe Radhe.